But we also went to a restaurant owned by Issa Rae. That's right, the legendary Issa Rae, director, actor, entrepreneur, Issa Rae. She has a restaurant in Baldwin Hills. My wife and I, we went there. We had some good food. It was like high maintenance soul food. I had me some pork. I had me like a short pork rib. Not pork. I said pork. Oh, Jaydon pork. I was a slip. I meant to say a short pork rib. A short pork rib.
A short pork rib.
I was a slip. I meant to say beef. It was a short beef rib. It was beef. A short beef rib. I said, no pork over here. Not no more. Back in the day, yes, but not no more. I ordered a short beef rib, and they were playing live music, instruments. Yeah, thank you. Man said pork. I sure did. I said pork rib. No, it was a beef rib, Salakia.